Well, we got a waste and overflow going into a lead bend, which is extremely rare. That's lead. The owner wants to replace the waste and overflow, but this looks relatively new. And it's not leaking, and quite frankly, it's a pretty decent job, really. The only problem is there's no space to get my hand up in there. So let's go take a look at the tub inside. Not a whole lot of space in here. Man. We're gonna have to open up this siding. I don't know how else we're gonna do it, to be honest with you. All right, so we're going to, got the approval to open it here and here and here. You can see we repiped this house, and as a matter of fact, I think we actually did this several years ago to access the shower valve. So okay, so what we're gonna do to save from having to open this up, and really get in there, we just cut the overflow. That was their main thing, is that they wanted the overflow replaced. And then we'll put in a new click drain for them as well. We will use a no-hub band for this. Just be easier install to use a no-hub band than a glue coupling. Okay, now let's try and gently remove. That ain't even going in there, huh? Yeah, broke it right away. Let's hope this one does the trick. There we go. Nice.
Yummy. Got that on camera. Oh shit. Never mind.
What, Dave?
I might have went in there.
Oh shit.
I don't think so though. Let me go check.
Yeah, will you go check? Hang on just a sec. Right there. Right. Let me here. Yeah. it look level?
Yes.
All right. Let's test the water real quick. Any leakies? All good? All right. All right, now let's put that on. Okay, we got the no hub band and the overflow. Can't see anything. Now, just put this sucker on here. You got the no hub band screwed down? Oh man, this freaking thing doesn't fit, dude. Oh wait, no, never mind. No, that's how it's supposed to be. My bad. It's supposed to be on the outside, like that. Now, my bad. I'm an idiot. If you want to screw the no hub band down, and then I'll put this on here.
I'm gonna put this right there by the hole just in case anything goes.
Yeah, thanks. Dang. Like an amateur hour for me today, man. It's like amateur hour for me today.
Oh shit. No.
That's good, right? I'm not a fan of these, to be honest with you. All right, that's on there. There you go. That's it. I don't know what that's for, but whatever. Thank you.
I don't know that true.
Yeah, I guess we can throw that away. I don't know what that's for. Oh, I see. Close it. Ferguson Enterprises. I'm not liking the cheapness. I don't like how that, it doesn't, see, if I leave it like that, it still spins. But if I do that, whatever. All right. Okay, now fill and dump. All right, you ready? All good? Any leaks? All right, gonna clean this. No leaks, good to go. Sealing this back up with a little Lexel. Put that back on. We're out.